We do have Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls joining in to discuss the markets. Sacchitanand, welcome to the show. Well, as of now, we have the banks which are outperforming, IT which is underperforming. IT is going into a whole host of news as well. How would you approach specific stocks within the space, and do you have a call?
Good afternoon, Ekta. I think for the last 7 trading sessions, we have already seen Nifty displaying a very strong perpendicular up move. If you look at the data from yesterday, which is not that comforting, we are seeing that the resistance at around 17,700, 17,800 may hold on for this particular week. Yesterday, we saw a doji formation on the Nifty, which is a sign of indecisiveness. This particular formation has occurred right at the channel resistance, which we have been observing. Even if you look at the 60 minutes data, we have a 3-point divergence on its RSI. So probably, since we have not seen any meaningful correction in this particular rally that we have seen so far, there's a good chance that Nifty may fall back towards its 200-day exponential moving average, which is placed at around 17,520. So we are not chasing this momentum. On the contrary, in fact, we have an opinion that some shorts can be considered when it comes to Nifty. So right now we are expecting a pullback towards 17,520, and the same can be participated with fresh short positions with a stop loss at around 17,760. When it comes to BankNifty, I think that particular range is well defined. The 41,000 mark has been acting as a very strong support. And on the higher side, the moment we see some unwinding at 41,500, probably we may see this move getting extended towards 41,700. But as of now, I think it's better to be on the sideline when it comes to Nifty Bank. But when it comes to Nifty, there are signs of exhaustion.
Sacchitanand, back to you. In terms of individual stocks, you said, on the Nifty, perhaps this consolidation may continue. Any names where you will take a fresh buy call now?
Good afternoon, Sonia. Sonia, I think the cement pack has been one of the outperformer, and even right now, there are no signs of exhaustion here. From this particular pack, we have already seen a good, strong performance by Ultratech Cement. The second in line has been Dalmia Bharat. So I think even right now, the way it has been holding on about that 2,000 mark, if you look at the entire movement, it has not slipped below its 5-day exponential moving average. Last week, we saw a very confident breakout from a rounding bottom formation somewhere close to around 1960, which is exhibiting a positional target of around 2260. So I think there is a lot of headroom still available on the upside. We are recommending longs here. Any declines should be utilized to create fresh long positions. The stop loss should be placed at around 1980. We are expecting a momentum target of around 2130, but positionally, I think 2260, the pattern target could be achieved in a couple of weeks. The other stock on our radar is Voltas. The trend has been clearly on the corrective side. It has slipped below its 4 days low. Fresh short positions have been added in today's session. So we are expecting this particular momentum to continue in Voltas on the lower side. A probable target of somewhere close to around 785. And hence we are recommending short positions with a stop loss at around 824.